Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another Magical Math Moment. This is video number 2 in a series of 3 in regard to graphing quadratic equations in Vertex form. This video is going to be examining the impact of parameters h and k, which are the horizontal and vertical translations. So let's get to it. Just a real quick reminder that y equals x squared is our parent function. And it has a pattern with the points when we graph them, which is nice. So our vertex is at the origin, and the pattern is to go up 1 and over 1 in both directions. The next set of points will be up 3 and over 1 in both directions. So that gives us our nice looking U-shaped graph, and there we go. Okay. So we're going to see what h and k do to these graphs. So let's look first at the effects of k, because I think that one's a little bit easier to deal with. H is a little sneaky, so we're going to wait and leave that. So let's say we have x squared plus 3. This k value is 3, and since k is positive, we're going to move up. Okay, so if we were going to graph this on the same grid, we would just move that vertex up 1, 2, 3. The a value is 1, so nothing happens to the width. We're still going up 1 and over 1. Now I don't have a lot of space here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a small graph. Ooh, all right. I'm not using graph paper, so it doesn't look as good as it normally would. This really should be in a little bit more. So you can see that they're changing it at the same rate, which is kind of nice. We're also going to look at x squared minus 2. So in this one, the k value is negative 2. If k is negative, it's going to shift down. So in this graph, if I extend this down a little, I'm going to go down 1, 2. I'm moving the vertex down 2. The pattern of up 1 over 1 is still the same. I can also go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, and then there is our graph there. Okay, that's a nice looking graph. All right, so that's pretty much the impact of k. It's a vertical shift up or down. All right, what if we again look at y equals x squared? Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so x squared, again, it's going to start in the middle, and then up 1 over 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1. Let me move this so I can make a nice graph for you. Well, you know, good intentions, right? All right, so let's see what's happening if we have something like y equals the quantity x minus 2 squared. H is always the opposite of what you think it is. So it looks like it's a negative 2, but it's really a positive 2. When h values are positive, we're going to be moving to the right. So we're going to take this vertex and go over 2 to the right. Up 1 over 1. Up 3 over 1. And we can go ahead and sketch in our function. Oh, that's nice looking. All right, every once in a while I graph really well. Okay, we can also look at y equals the quantity x plus 3 squared. So again, the h value is the opposite of what you think. So in this case, it's negative 3. Since it is negative, we're going to go to the left. So we're going to take this over and go 1, 2, 3. The pattern up 1 over 1 is still the same. The pattern of up 3 over 1 is also still the same. And there we go. All right, so that one's not as pretty, but you get the idea. So h is the horizontal left-right shift, okay? H goes left-right, k makes the graph go up and down. Now we can put these together, and we're going to do that in the last video. So please go and check out part 3 in the series. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.